This video highlights all the key features you need to know about the HP Omen MAX 16 RTX 5070 Pro gaming laptop. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laptop in the description below for the latest price. The HP Omen MAX 16 is built for serious gamers and power users who demand nothing short of top-tier performance. Starting with its display, you get a stunning 16-inch WQXGA panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. What makes it truly impressive is the 240Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time, giving you an incredibly smooth and immersive gaming experience. The screen is IPS with anti-glare coating, low blue light technology, and 500 nits brightness, so you can game or work comfortably even during long sessions without straining your eyes. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 375 processor, which in many benchmarks has outperformed Intel's i9 lineup. With 12 cores and 24 threads, it ensures seamless multitasking, whether you're gaming, streaming, editing videos, or running AI workloads. Paired with the NVIDIA RTX 5070 with 8GB of GDDR5 RAM, this machine can handle modern AAA games at high frame rates while also supporting advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS for next-level visuals. It's equally reliable for creators who need heavy GPU acceleration for rendering or AI-assisted tools. One of the standout highlights here is memory and storage. With a massive 64GB of DDR5 RAM, you'll never have to worry about lag or bottlenecks, even with dozens of applications open. Add to that a 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD, and you're looking at lightning-fast boot times, near-instant load speeds, and plenty of space for games, projects, or media libraries. This combination ensures smooth performance that feels instant in real-world usage. Connectivity is another strong point. The Omen MAX 16 includes dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB Type-A ports, HDMI, RJ45 Ethernet, a headphone and microphone combo jack, and Wi-Fi 7 support. This means you'll always have fast and stable connections for both peripherals and online gaming. It also features a 1080p Full HD webcam for clear video calls, and of course, the RGB backlit keyboard for customizable lighting that matches your setup. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you access to all the productivity and security features professionals need, such as BitLocker encryption, Hyper-V virtualization, and remote desktop. Whether you're using it purely for gaming or balancing it with work, this system has the flexibility to handle it all. In terms of extras, HP bundles this model with a PCO folding laptop cooler, which is a nice addition to keep thermals under control during long gaming marathons. It's also worth noting that this laptop was recognized at CES 2025 as one of the best gaming laptops, which speaks volumes about its balance of design, innovation, and raw power.